so you can control this one. And okay? So basically, what we're knowing already is way too much pressure. Heavy, too much trigger pull. This way. But you're going this way. So that means it's
You got some bullseyes here.